Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Italian meatballs. First, gather your essential ingredients for the perfect flavor. You will need 1½ pounds of ground beef, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 large egg. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Combine your ground beef, breadcrumbs, Parmesan, egg, milk, and parsley in a large bowl. Use your hands to gently mix everything together until just combined. Overmixing can make the meatballs tough, so be careful not to knead the mixture too much. This ensures a tender and flavorful result. Next, gently roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, about 1½ inches in diameter. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the meatballs in batches until they are nicely browned on all sides. This step is crucial for developing a rich, savory crust. Once browned, carefully transfer the meatballs to your simmering tomato sauce. Allow them to cook gently in the sauce for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour for the best flavor infusion. The meatballs will absorb all the wonderful notes from the sauce, becoming incredibly tender. This slow simmer makes all the difference. Your delicious Italian meatballs are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with your favorite pasta, a fresh green salad, or simply on their own with some crusty bread. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh basil or more Parmesan cheese for an extra touch. They are perfect for a comforting family meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.